Next is tracking, polar tracking and object snap tracking. By using these options, we can easily track the points and the lines, position, endpoints, circle, quadrants. Now we create this drawing with the help of polyline. First of all, we create outer profile. I select polyline, move cursor on this point. Don't select this point by clicking here. Slightly move cursor in this direction. You can notice here green dotted line is visible. This is our tracking line. I select this point. Now I move downside 100 mm, this side 100 mm. All these lines are 100 mm. Only two lines are of 200 mm. So we create this drawing. This line is 200 mm, upside 100 mm. Again all lines are 100 mm. And this line is 200 mm. Press the escape button for exit the command. Now we create these two rectangles. From this point, this is 50 mm away. Similarly here, this rectangle is 50 mm away from this point, this corner point. I select polyline, move cursor on this point and slightly move cursor in this direction and type here 50 mm. Press enter. At this point, from this point direction at 50 mm, a point is generated. Now we create rectangle upside. The dimension is 50 mm. This side 100 mm. Downside 50 mm. This side also 100 mm. Press escape button for exit the command. Similarly here, I select polyline. I move cursor on this corner point. Slightly move cursor in this direction. Type 50. Press enter. Move cursor in downside 50 mm. This side 100 mm. This side 50 mm. This side also 100 mm. We can also track the quadrant and the center point of the circle. I create a circle. When I move cursor on this point, we are tracking center point. If we want to track its quadrant, I select these quadrants. We can track these quadrants and these points due to the setting of object snap tracking and polar tracking. In your case, if you are unable to track these points, you can do a setting for that in command prompt. Type ds, press enter. This is draft setting. Select polar tracking, keep it on, and object snap. Every option should be turned on and then select OK. You can also keep these all settings on from here